Hi guys, it's the Macintosh Guide and we're back after a very long time. Now, as you can see, I have got two packages over here, and these two packages, well, I wasn't expecting myself to do an upgrade, but it seems like I will be doing one early. So guys, sit back, relax and enjoy this new unboxing. So I have received two packages, but let's unbox the main package first. So we've got a box right here. I'm going to tilt the camera down so you guys can see, and I'm going to be pulling a tab. Now we know it's an Apple product because I've got the pulley tape, and that's open right there. Now, do you guys know what it is? Give you a couple of seconds. Wow, we have picked up ourselves an iPad Pro. Now you must be wondering why. You already have an iPad Pro. You have an M4 iPad Pro. This is an M5 iPad Pro. As you can see right here, it is a 13-inch M5 cellular model, 256. It's pretty much identical to what I had for my M4 one. However, this is an opportunity I received, and I was like, I can't take it up. I can't miss to take this opportunity up. So I decided that I am going to be getting the M5 iPad Pro. So I will be transferring my cellular plan across and be able to function with this. Now, this is not the only item that we have received, and I am not done with the unboxing. We will unbox this in a couple of minutes. But we also have another box, and I hope you guys know what this is. And there you go, we have received the Apple Pencil Pro, as you can see right here, to go with our iPad Pro M5. And then we have also received the Magic Keyboard, the magic keyboard, in the color of silver. So this is the first time I've actually received this item myself. It works with the iPad Pro 13-inch, as you can see, and it's literally just sticks as magnet. So I'm quite excited to be unboxing all three items. So guys, let's get straight into the unboxing. So before I unbox the other items, let's unbox the iPad Pro. So we get the pulley tab, and and the way I like to do it is I only like to open one pulley tab, so I can just lift the box up naturally. And as you can see, the iPad Pro is well, it's right here. It's a 13-inch iPad Pro. As you can see, it's a big behemoth, and it's the color of silver. I went to get a silver one this time. I always like to change colors around every year, so I've received my iPad Pro. Now, I'm not going to turn this device on. You guys already know what the iPad Pro looks like. There's not much of a change from last year, but what I will do is I will use my M4 iPad Pro to just show you how the other products look like. So as you can see, the iPad only comes with the charging cable now, as we know. There's no more stickers. Before everybody starts going crazy, they'll be like, oh, well then you don't really do an unboxing, this and that. Minimal difference. It's just a bit more power than what the M4 iPad Pro has. And moving on to the other items that we're going to be unboxing, we've got the Apple Pencil. So I do like how interesting the pulley tab system is on these items, how Apple does it. So just pull the tab over here. We pull out the item, and I do love, like, look at that, designed by California. We lift this tab up, and we see the Apple Pencil Pro is right here. As you can tell, Apple Pencil Pro. It's remarkable how Apple does all these things, right? It's crazy. And you know, I actually needed an Apple Pencil Pro for a while. I didn't have one for the M4 iPad. I don't know how I survived. I love the Apple Pencil 2 I had. But it's remarkable how Apple they do such a good job in terms of all of the majority of their products. I'm not going to say all of them. So that was the Apple Pencil Pro, as you can see. And then of course we're going to be looking at the Magic Keyboard. Now I'm going to get my M4 iPad Pro in a second to show you what it looks like when it's plugged in. But again, we pull the tab, and then I want to see if I can pull this up. Yes, I can. And that itself looks great. So this is the first time I've ever purchased a Magic Keyboard. I've never owned a Magic Keyboard before, so this is a first for me. And I'm just getting my M4 iPad Pro out. As you can see right here, M4 iPad Pro. So let's actually unbox the case, because hey, it's new to me, and something that's new to me definitely means it's new in the channel. So I use I've already butchered the unboxing experience. I've already ripped the edge. Oh wow, guys, this feels amazing. This feels fantastic. This feels great. I'm gonna put that neatly away right here. We'll put that to the side, and as you can see, it looks magnificent. Oh, it feels really stern. There seems to be some sort of overlay in terms of some issue. As you can see, it's a silver one right here. I'm going to put the camera slightly back so you can see the entire product. And as you can tell, look, it looks brilliant. It feels like a Mac. Hi, my name is TMG. Like, it feels like a MacBook keyboard. And the way it should just simply work is if I unlock my iPad, and it should simply be boom. It just works as it should be, and you can probably tell, and it just works. I didn't even have to do any connection. It just works just by connecting it. And the way it tilts like this. I can keep it, I can move this back, I can do, it's incredible, guys. And the way the profile works is, it's just like a snap-on case. That's all it pretty much is. You snap it on, it looks magnificent, and it just works. Everything just works as simple as it should be. Now you can't move this anymore, only you can tilt this. As you can see, I'm putting pressure in, but this is the one that goes up and down. And it's simple as just, and the keyboard lights up, as I could just see. I don't know if you can see, the keyboard actually lights up. The command spacebar, everything just works as it should be. And I think it's a great product. I know this is the one I'm actually reviewing the most compared to all everything else, but this is how it should be working, and it's simple as. And you can see, if I close it, and that's it. And then it's just, it is a bit heavy, I'm not gonna lie, it is a bit heavy. As you can see, you could charge it via USB-C right here, and then simply as, all you need to do is open up your iPad, boom. You can lock it with the lock key, you can unlock it, you can just press the up arrow and it's all unlocked. You can start your work, and it just works simple as. And that's, well, all of the devices, guys. We've unboxed the Apple Magic Keyboard, we've unboxed the Apple Pencil, and we have also unboxed the new iPad. So you make sure you are like and subscribing to the channel. There's plenty of content. There's going to be comparisons of the M5 iPad Pro compared to the M4 iPad Pro. There's going to be how the Apple Pencil functions. There's going to be loads of content coming out for the new M5 iPad Pro. I'm also going to go through the process of how to transfer your eSIM across. So plenty of shorts, plenty of videos oncoming. I do apologize that I didn't have much content going on for the last 2-ish months. Reason being, I have been going back and forth between the United States and the UK. That's my home, this is my home, and sometimes making content cannot be easy when you're doing all of these things. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you guys in the next one.